everyone, I hope you've had a lovely week. Last week was pretty awesome. I loved the virtual sports week and our virtual assembly. It made me feel so proud and happy to be part of a community. Did you manage to do any of the activities on the health and wellbeing grid? If you didn't get a chance, don't worry, there's plenty of time to try out these activities. This week's focus is looking at how to take good photographs with a smartphone or another device and how that can be good for your well-being. Like a lot of people, I am missing my family, my friends and some of my usual activities. One of the activities I miss is escaping to the hills or to a favourite beach or even a wee overnight camp somewhere. Photography is a good way to become more involved with nature. It's an activity you can lose yourself in. It can help you forget about your worries for a while. It allows your brain to be distracted yet productive. This combined with nature can be very soothing for your mind and for your body. Here are a few tips to get you started. Let's start by looking at what you can use. You don't need a fancy camera. Smartphones or tablets are a great option. So this is my subject. I'm going to concentrate on composition, which really means how your subject looks in the frame and where it's going to be positioned. So I could think about putting it in the centre. I could put it to one side, so put it to the left, put it to the right. I could have it closer in. So just thinking about different ways to position your subject. You want to keep your hands as steady as possible and make sure your subject is in focus. If you go too close, it'll blur. Try out some different angles. From above, from underneath, from eye level. You can make your subject look a bit more interesting by just doing something like adding water. Number 1, choose a subject to shoot. This could be a flower, weed, tree bark or a mini beast. Number 2, get a bit closer to your subject. You don't always need to go for the whole subject. Focus on one part but make sure it still stays in focus. Number 3, change the angle. Take some photos from different angles. Number 4, edit and experiment. If you have edit tools, play around with them. Maybe try changing the colour, make it look a bit different. I hope you have enjoyed looking more closely at nature and have learned some useful techniques to use when taking photographs. I also hope it's made you feel good. If you manage to do the activity, again, please share any thoughts or experiences on Twitter or email. Next time in Outdoor Wellbeing, we'll be looking at growing food at home. So until then, take care, stay safe and be kind. Bye for now.